Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining me for this lesson. Today we're going to work on a couple of quarter note grooves on the hi-hat and we're going to learn an eighth note fill. So let's go! Okay everyone, let's look at groove number 1. First of all, I want to point out that you're only playing quarter notes on the hi-hat. Here's how we count quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's only 4 hi-hats, so you're playing quarter notes on the hi-hat. So it's going to go like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Let's break this down by eighth notes. On beat number 1, you play the hi-hat and the kick drum together. On the and, you do nothing. On 2, you play the hi-hat and snare together. On the and of 2, you play the kick. On beat number 3, you play a hi-hat. On and of 3, you play the kick drum. On 4, you play the hi-hat and the snare, and on the and of 4, you do nothing. So I'm going to count it one more time, and then we're going to play it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, here's how we count groove 1. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. 1 and 2. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, now we're going to play 16 measures of groove number 1. First at 50 beats per minute, then 60, and then 70. I know you can do it. 1, 2, 3, here we go. One, 2, 3, here we go. One, 2, 3, here we go. Hey everybody, if you want to see the rest of this lesson or for more lessons, please visit the KungFuKickdrum.vhx.tv. If you subscribe there, you're not just supporting me, you're also supporting a future generation of musicians that can change the world. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time in the dojo.